how to turn on or off autocorrect on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your settings and then scroll down. Tap on General Management. There, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now, let me tell you that autocorrect in Android is known as auto replace. So, tap on auto replace option. And there you can see various keyboards that you have. Now, if you want to turn on the autocorrect for your English keyboard, then just toggle the switch on. And if you want to turn it off, then just tap on it. And then now it has been disabled. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.